Hi, my name is Lizbeth Ceron Gomez. I am a senior at Birmingham Southern College. My dad is originally from Guanajuato, Mexico, and my mom is from San Diego, California. All of her family is from Oaxaca, Mexico, meaning that I identify as Mexican American, but I am also Latina. And I'm going to talk to you about a few words that may help you understand Hispanic Heritage Month a little better. When you say the word Hispanic, you are referring to someone that comes from a Spanish-speaking country or has origin from Spanish-speaking country. So that can be Spain, that can be countries in Latin America that speak Spanish. But for example, people from Brazil would not be considered Hispanic because they speak Portuguese. However, they are considered Latinos. When you refer to someone as being Latino is when they come from an origin of Latin America. They can be from a Latin American country or their family is from Latin America. For example, Latin America consists of countries like Argentina, Chile, Peru, Costa Rica, Brazil. Guatemala is also considered Latin America. You wouldn't refer to someone from Spain as being Latino though, because Spain is not in Latin America. And then some Latinos prefer to go by Latinx. Latinx is just the non-binary form of Latino. Latina is just the feminine way of saying Latino. And Spanish comes from the language, also can refer to people from Spain. Chicano refers to a person of Mexican descent born in the United States. Tejano refers to a person of Mexican descent born in Texas. Now that I've shared these terms with you, join in on celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month with me. There are different taco trucks all around that provide authentic foods, and you can taste a little bit of what different Latin American countries have.